Welcome! In front of me I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to see how fast it works and if it is reliable. So let's make a few tries. As you can see, it works really fast. I'm honestly surprised. It's a little bit slower than fingerprint sensor that you can find under this power key, but it works really fast. For that price range, I think it's one of the best devices. So as you can see, it's fast and it's reliable. So very nice. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.